What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Blogoponics, where I experiment with everything hydroponics. And I'm really bad at talking. Alright, today is time for a nutrient change for this outdoor DWC jalapeno plant. It's run by this little solar air pump there, and it sits outside on my deck. It's doing really good. It has been growing with Maxi Grow up until this point, and as you can see, got jalapenos everywhere on it. It's just really full. It's got all kinds of buds, getting ready to have some new fruits on there. It's doing really good. So it is time to switch it over to Maxi Bloom 515-14, and that'll just help it put out more fruits and just really help with the flowering stage. This probably should have been done a while ago, but you know, life gets in the way and I didn't get around to it. So we're also going to show you the roots here. If I can do this without dumping everything out. Oh, this thing's heavy. So roots, and it's almost out of nutrient solution down there. So it's time to switch her out. Alright, so I got another bucket here. I've already went ahead and put the air stone in there, hooked to the air pump. Put about 3 gallons of water in it. And the easiest way to do this is just go ahead and switch out the whole bucket, because then you know it has fresh water and fresh nutrients. If you just added nutrients to it, it'd be kind of hard to tell without testing it how much nutrients you had left in there, how much it uptook from before. So it's best to just go ahead and switch everything out, and then I'll just dump the rest of that nutrient solution on some of my potted plants outside. So let's see if I can get this thing open with one hand. So 3 gallons, the Maxi Bloom, 3 gallons of water. It says use 1 to 2 teaspoons per gallon. I usually go on the lower side, but I think for these 3 gallons I'll go ahead and add 4 teaspoons. This plant's so established. So here we go. Real pink color. Just dump it in there, let it mix up. The air stone will help with the mixing. So we got 1. 2. 3. And 4. Now we just want to take a stirrer here and just kind of get everything off the bottom, mix it around. Alright, so I'm going to stir this up for a minute and I will be right back. Alright, we got it pretty well stirred up. There's some little floaties in there, but that's fine. One thing I wanted to touch on is that since this is if this was a normal DWC system, you would be able to fill up, you know, another gallon and a half. You can fill it all the way up since the air pump is pumping air into the system. But this solar air pump doesn't start right up in the morning. It takes a minute to get going, and then at night it dies. So this is kind of like a hybrid DWC and Cracky hydroponic system. So that's why, you know, I leave a little space for the roots to have air. So now that we got that all mixed up, all we have to do is take this bucket lid right off here. Drip for a second. And then we'll just set this down right in the new nutrient solution. the lid on secure here. And this plant's ready to go back outside and grow for another couple weeks. I'll update you in a week or two and show you the change and show you all the new pods that are coming in. So hope you guys have a great day. If you want to see more about this and how to change your nutrient solutions, check out blogaponics.com. I'll do a full write-up, and this video will also be there. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment or come by the blog and leave a comment there. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.